السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم محمد صماد من قناة English English. Hello guys, what's up? How are you doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. النهاردة إن شاء الله هنكمل مع بعض session 5, okay, which covers consonant F and consonant V. Also هنcover فيها the unvoiced sh sound and the voiced j sound وفي كلمة زي usual, usually, okay. It's a very important sound in English, in American English, by the way. Okay, so let's start with the F, which is unvoiced sound. Okay, unvoiced. Okay, so means that زي ما قلنا مفيش vibration. Okay, in the vocal cords في الأحبال الصوتية. تمام، زي ما قلنا خدنا الvoiced والunvoiced. لو أنت أول مرة تتفرج على السيشن ديت ارجع للسيشنز اللي قبلها عشان تتابع الكورس بالترتيب، وما تنسوش تعمل لايك وسبسكرايب للقناة لو عجبك الفيديو. F unvoiced. F practice with words. Okay, being practice with words الأول زي foot. كلمة foot مش foot، لا foot. Okay, foot. Alright, foot تخطفها كده. Food غير foot. Okay, this is another just like sound. Okay, وهناخدوه بعد كده. foot ديت ليه. find. Okay, finally. rough. GH في الكلمات بتنطق rough. F ساعات صح. symphony. laugh. مش laugh. Okay. Alright, comparing F and V. Alright, V بقى voiced. Okay, في V. Okay, في vibration. Practice with words like vote, okay, vine, oven, evaluate, travel, alive. Travel and alive. وهناخد ال في session number 6 بعديها على طول إن شاء الله. وهنقول ليه بنطق travel كده وليس travel. No, travel. Alive. Okay, طيب. Comparing F and V بقى. Alright, so كلمات في comparing بين بعض. طبعا في ناس يا جماعة والله قابلتهم بيقولوا فودافون بيقولها فودافون، يعني انتوا مش متخيلين. اف والفي دول it's critical برضه انت تدرب عليهم، مش حاجة يعني ما تفكرهاش، مستهونش بالحروف دي. تمام، ان في ناس فعلا عندها مشكلة في الفي بينطقوها اف. okay, this is a very يعني important thing, okay, that you should focus on. feel and veal. okay, safe, save, fat, vat, fine, vine, fan and van, right? So it's a very different in meaning. لما نقول fan مروحة غير van يعني عربية صح؟ طيب foul and vowel. okay, proof and prove. prove اللي هو الايه الverb، اما proof اللي هو الnoun. okay, اللي هو دليل أو برهان. طيب practice sentences for F and V بقى. اوكي الاتنين مع بعض بقى في sentences في جمل. Her promotion in the firm was well deserved. Her promotion in the firm was well deserved. Okay. Dave gave me his car so that I could drive on New Year's Eve. Okay. New. Alright, not new. New. In American English, so it's pronounced new. Okay. Dave gave me his car so that I could drive in New Year's Eve. Okay. Tom placed several tomatoes from the vine into a basket. Tom placed several tomatoes, okay, flap T, from the vine into a basket. Okay, طيب. There were several dents in the rear fender. There were several dents, okay, اللي هو أطباء أسنان, in the rear fender. Okay, طيب. كده we're done with the F and V sound. عرفنا ال F unvoiced, V voiced, with comparison between the F and V, okay, in pronunciation. That's it. That's all you have to know, okay, about the F and V. Alright, نيجي بقى لل sounds sh and ja. Okay, طيب شه sound it's unvoiced طبعا في شه okay شو whatever. Ja voiced right usually okay unusual vision وهكذا هنعرف دلوقتي. طيب شه sound زي ما قلنا in the beginning زي she sugar في كلمات بتنطق as شه sound like sugar sure right. chef مش chef لا chef ch بس pronounced شه okay. Chicago نفس الحكاية. sheep and shoe okay that's at the beginning of words. okay طب شه in the middle alright it's like nation okay not ION okay it's pronounced cha right. mission نفس الحكاية mission SION okay. motion special right. insurance tissue ocean كل المقاطع دي بتنطق شه right in English okay عموما. so nation mission motion special insurance tissue ocean okay. طيب شه and end زي rush dish splash establish Irish finish okay. so that's the شه sound in phonetics American English phonetics okay. نيجي practice sentences for شه sound okay زي the fishing trip was planned and we left to go to the ocean okay. the fishing trip was planned and we left to go to the ocean okay. طيب Joe's weather machine shows a sharp drop in air pressure especially offshore خارج الشط. يبقى Joe's weather th last session weather okay طلع لسانك machine shows a sharp drop in air pressure especially offshore okay. طيب was the chef ashamed to use the precious sugar was the chef ashamed to use the precious sugar okay. Sharon gave a special performance today Sharon gave a special performance today okay. طيب that's for the شه sound okay. it's very important برضو. طيب جه sound بقى تعالى voiced okay لو بيقابل الشه sound but voiced it's pronounced like unusual usually okay that's how we do with the sound right usually هذاك انا عارفين J نطق J في D okay in the pronunciation alright but this is usual without any D or anything like usual J sound okay J usual unusual vision conclusion Asia division television okay. طيب at the end فيش طبعا في in the middle and in the end of the words okay مفيش at the beginning of words ما بتسمعش جه ديت at the beginning of words خالص right so it's middle and end only okay so unusual vision في كلمات كده معينة بتتنطق في الان زي beige اللون البيج message and prestige right message بنقول مثلا management or manage okay management نفس الحكاية اللي هو جا sound okay sorry massage it's not message ديت لا جا sound دي massage alright massage alright very good I know a good place for massage alright it's pronounced it's a French word actually but it's pronounced like that massage okay so جا sound prestige okay مش message دي خالص لا it's massage beige and prestige okay my message ديت it's j sound دي هنعرفها بعد كده طيب practice sentence for j sound okay so it's unusual or it's not usual for people to study division in Asia. I usually use measuring cup to measure erosion okay. The beige walls were the usual color in the Treasury building. It's usually hot in the summer okay hot زي ما قلنا السيشن اللي فاتت between the British and the American accent which is arto okay which is L it's not pronounced like a sound or hot okay so it's usually hot in the summer. It's not unusual for people to study division in Asia. I usually use a measuring cup to to measure erosion. The beige walls were the usual color in the Treasury building. It's usually hot in the summer. Alright, you gotta practice that a lot. Okay, you gotta read a lot. كل اللي عليك تعمله في الفونetics اللي انت تقرا paragraph, at least paragraph, okay, every day. Right, to practice the words, okay, اللي انت بتلاقيها او بتشوفها وبتpractice الpronunciation بتاعك وتread out loud. تقرا بصوت عالي عشان تسمع نفسك وانت بتتكلم والtonality بتاعت voice بتاعتك تشوفها عاملة ازاي في الانجليش وانت sound in English, okay, not sound in Arabic. So it's very important to practice a lot in these letters and these sounds, okay. لازم تسمعها كتير. طبعا الافلام زي ما قلت لكم TV shows, it's very important to watch at least something or listen for something for about 15 minutes as well, okay. Practice. But listening, it's very important. أهم حاجة listening عشان بعد كده in order to be a good speaker you have to be a good listener, okay. لو انت عشان تبقى متحدث جيد لازم تبقى مستمع جيد الأول، تمام. تسمع من native speakers الكلام اللي هم بيقولوه، تمام، repeat after them and then you're gonna find yourself saying the words, all the words and sentences in the right pronunciation بالنطق الصح بالأمريكان accent السليمة، تمام، مش أي حاجة. طيب that's it for today guys. خلاص كده احنا السيشن ديت يا رب تكون لذيذة وافادتكم يعني. كفرنا فيها الاف والفي ساوند وعملنا comparison بينهم، والشه والجا ساوند of usual وفيجن مساج، اوكي، prestige beige، اوكي، وعرفنا ان الجا ساوند بتيجي في الميدل and the end of words not at the beginning of words, okay. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Just don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you liked it. Thank you very much. And please share as well the يا ريت يعني تشيروا الفيديو عشان يوصل لناس كتير سواء على الفيس لو نتفرج على الفيس او على اليوتيوب عشان يوصل لناس اكتر ويستفيدوا بإذن الله. Thank you very much.